Namaskaram everyone. So I am starting my new cooking channel. Just kidding. So this is the Sadhguru's cooking book, A Taste of Well-Being, and there are a lot of awesome sattvic recipes in this. Without what you call all the negative pranic substances like garlic, onion, and I thought if I could be able to convert this whole book into a series of videos, it'll be very helpful for people who are going for samyama or who are trying to become vegetarian or try the sattvic diet. I have personally not tried this myself, so I thought this would be an experiment. So you guys can join me in learning how to cook this and be an expert cook like Sadhguru. I'll be taking the help of my expert mom Meena for this. These videos I'll also be trying to put out in Hindi also. So in Malayalam there is a saying, that means we should not try to make a dragonfly take a big stone in the beginning. So we'll start with a very simple recipe. It is lemon mint juice, guys. So yeah. Okay, so guys, these are our ingredients. So in the book they say 2 lemons, but we have taken only 1 lemon because there are only 3 of us, and else it will become too bitter. Then you can take mint leaves, 7 to 8 mint leaves, and then of course honey or palm sugar as a good alternative to our white sugar. White sugar is not good for health. I have kept my Isha Life Kashmir honey, but it is over, but you can get this also. It's very tasty honey. And of course our mixie, and this is to cut the take the juice out of the lemon. So one of the tips given in this thing is the book is that you roll the lemon like this properly on a hard surface to get the entire juice out of it. So now let's strain the lemon. Guys, we are Indians, so now we will remove the entire juice by putting this in and then squeezing it. We don't waste a little bit of lemon juice. So we put the entire 2 stems of mint leaves. Get the fresh mint leaves as much as possible. Guys, I am taking water from here. There is the Jiva Rasam, which is kept to consecrate water. So if you want, you can take water from there. Add 2 glasses of water. Okay guys, add honey as much as you want. Now we will add only 2 tablespoons. If you want more, you can add later. And I will share a tip with you. Do not waste the honey. Don't waste the honey. Okay guys, now this is our Sujata mixie. Sujata best brand. Now we are going to strain the juice. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, yummy. Perfecto. 2 cups. If you are someone who likes to decorate, you can put 2 lemons and something else. Okay guys, behind the scenes I tasted it, but the honey is very less. I mean the sweet is very less, so you can add more honey. Maybe 2 more spoons to each of the glasses. Yes. So in the Hindi video, I will correct this. Stir well. Okay guys, now we'll give it to our dad for his review. Acting This is mint lime juice of Sadhguru. We did not have ice today, else it would have been better, I think.
Super, super.
This year's Oscar goes to VR Sabu. How is it actually?
Some more sweet is required.
Okay, so guys. So do you think it would be better with soda?
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Soda may be better.
Yeah.
Some more sweet.
Chilled soda.
Chilled soda.
Yes.
But we
Put
are
some more soda.
no carbonated drinks, only water.
No, soda is okay.
Okay.
Consider.
Okay guys, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.